It's quite common to all of us that we human beings want to store the beautiful moments which we have lived in our past. With the help of technology, it has already become possible. As these days, we use several devices such as cameras, smartphones, laptops, etc. to capture our beautiful memories and store them in the form of images, photos, videos, and so on. We can recall them anytime just by looking at those photos or videos. Looking at the photos or videos, we just imagine ourselves being present in that moment and start feeling nostalgic. In reality, the images or photos we've captured just give us a 2D perspective to look at them. As a result of that, we don't have as much of an immersive feeling as we had when we lived those moments. Don't you wish to have a 3D perspective of that environment which can give a more enlivening experience? Or don't you think it's gonna happen someday? Well, you don't have to wait for so long, since it can be easily possible with the help of hologram technology. It is a newly emerging and innovative technology in which three-dimensional projection of objects and environment is created with the help of photographic technique. The 3D objects and realistic environment created through holography are called holograms. In hologram technology, a light source is directed towards a splitter where the original beam of light is scattered into two different types of beams. One of them is an object beam and the other is a reference beam. The object beam of light passes through the object, whereas the reference beam of light is reflected from the mirror without passing through the object. And both the object beam and reference beam of light meet at the surface of photographic plates where the holograms are generated. This is a simple mechanism that shows how the holograms are created. In this process, initially holograms are recorded with the help of a light source, photographic plates, special equipment, etc. and then can be reconstructed anytime, even in absence of original light. These days, several types of holograms are created based on need and purpose, but the most common types of holograms are reflection hologram, transmission hologram, embossed hologram, and 3D hologram. First of all, let's talk about reflection holograms. In this type of hologram, the light source is held at a precise angle and distance, and after illuminating the light source, the object beam and the reference beam of light approach the recording medium from two opposite sides. As a result of that, the reflection hologram is created on the recording medium. The captured interference pattern of light forms, that is, fringes, are usually parallel to the surfaces of recording medium. When the reflection hologram is reconstructed, then the reference beam and object beam lie on the same side of the hologram. With this type of hologram, a true three-dimensional form of the image can be seen by a person. Unlike others, this hologram can be seen in regular light as well. A white light illumination source like a spotlight or even sunlight can replay clear images. The holograms shown in these images are examples of reflection holograms. Next, we have a transmission hologram, in which laser light is utilized for creating and replaying holograms. Unlike reflection holograms, the object beam as well as the reference beam approach the recording medium from the same side, due to which the more enticing holograms are created. The interference fringes are generally perpendicular to the surfaces of the recording medium. When the reflection hologram is reconstructed, then the reference beam and object beam lie on the opposite side of the hologram. In bright sunlight, transmission hologram seems to be blurred. Holograms in these images are some examples of transmission holograms. Moving on, we have another type of hologram, which is an embossed hologram. With an embossed hologram, a transparent type of image that is typically used in security measures is created. The image created with the help of an embossed hologram is extremely complex and difficult to recreate. The image is embedded into an object by the heat and pressure of a metal stamp. Embossed holograms are most commonly used in digital cards and chips. Finally, we have 3D hologram, which is still in the development phase. advanced equipment will be used to generate this type of hologram. 3D holograms can be viewed from different angles and can float in the air, which gives the most realistic experience. 3D holograms will have the potential to take hologram technology to the next level. Many tech companies such as HyperVSN, VividQ, MDS Hologram Limited, Holoxica, Lightfield Lab, etc. are still operating 3D holographic displays and services. Hologram technology has wide applications in different fields such as the healthcare industry, education, business, entertainment, architecture, digital art, security, engineering, robotics, and so on. In medical industry, hologram technology will allow a complete 3D visualization of internal organs and body parts. This will allow doctors a greater ability to examine diseases and injuries in individual patients and will lead to more accurate diagnosis. In education, students can more easily and in a detailed manner grasp knowledge and information with the help of hologram technology. For businesses, hologram technology can be used to advertise different products in an eye-catching manner. A number of potential customers will take an interest to see the products, and due to which business will have a great benefit. 3D characters can be generated through 3D holograms, which can be used for entertainment purpose. Complex designs of buildings and massive structures can be profoundly analyzed with the help of hologram technology. With hologram technology, engineers can easily study the complex mechanism of masonry. This way, the application list of hologram technology goes on and on because hologram technology has lots of benefits. To mention a few of them, hologram technology provides effective learning and has a huge capacity for storing data and information. It can increase the efficiency of doctors and surgeons. Likewise, it minimizes costs in training centers. Moreover, it enhances customer experience. It does not require any special equipment for viewing purposes. This way, we can say that hologram technology has great advantages. Since it is still in the development phase, it is not commercially available to us. However, as we know, technology is rapidly advancing, so we will be able to experience hologram technology in the very near future. By considering this all, we can say that hologram technology has the potential to revolutionize the world. That's all for today. Hope you have got the information about hologram technology from this video.